Yeah. 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 Welcome. Good luck. Go easy on me. Let's wait for more players. One more time. No fair. That was not fun. Hooray! Shut up, Japanese. You don't get to say anything.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Whoa.
Oh.
Okay, Mr. Akanen Star. Akanen Hoshi, I guess. Go away. Hey, stars are illegal.
But it's part of a clan tag.
No!
Yeah, it's probably not.
The Dynamo Clan.
Wait, the Twisted Mansion appeared in Super Mario World first?
No, this is the... Wait. Well, it's probably a reference to Super Mario World. Oh, wow. What the heck, man?
Whoa!
What the heck? Who threw that?
That was me. I actually was like...
Oh my
I threw it
god.
forward, and then it
This
like...
person is raping you right now.
It's like it went... It didn't even hit my red... or banana.
I know.
Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my god. What the... Come on, damn 11th place. Come on.
This match is just like, everyone's dying the game.
Yeah.
Everyone's just getting nuked left and right.
Except Toad. Except
Surprisingly.
Toad.
Because no one is targeting him.
That's because they said no fair. Yeah!
Oh, come on, man.
No Toad must get left behind.
Yeah, that was my revenge for toading. They're not allowed to be Toad while I'm here. That's the main reason why I'm targeting them. Not because they're Japanese. Not because they have a silly name. Because they're Toad.
Because they're Toad.
Clearly.
I didn't...
Hey, Trev.
Well, I didn't mean to throw that, but okay.
Throw what?
A green shell.
Oh, boxes. Uh-oh. Wow.
Virginia.
Virginia! Hanging out with little boys in spandex!
Oh.
Oh, jeez.
I'm gonna get you a thing.
I love you, Regina, but you can't keep doing that. Come on.
Yeah, I got a good item. Throw it backwards. Wow! Wow! Wow, right way! Backwards!
But a boomerang?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh
Wow!
my god. I'm in 7th place. This is not good. Great, now I got a Starman, so I can...
Oh, shit.
I love how getting a Starman instantly makes you like the best driver. For that brief period of time.
That's crazy, right? Oh, speaking of which, I'm gonna be that guy. I'm gonna be that guy. Yes, yes.
What did you have?
I had the horn.
6th place.
God, I want to see that. You know what? Hold on.
He got third, but it was funny.
Peter.
Yeah.
There, I started. Now I'm gonna instant replay that.
Oh my god.
When I get the chance.
Ooh. Mario Circuit.
That's illegal, okay.
Yeah, everything is illegal. We're in America. This land is illegal.
It's called the Fun
Okay.
Toys.
Okay.
The land of pirating.
Exactly. That's exactly it.
Turn off annotations for no subtitles.
God, everyone's just talking.
Nah.
That's what we're doing, talking. It'd be funny if random gets selected. Okay. I was gonna say.
Well, someone likes fine sauce.
Oh, we got a New Yorker here from Fox. Fox.
Toya! Fire! Mission accomplished!
I will beat your ass, Fox. Just to let you know that. From one New Yorker to another.
Wow! Reflecting intensifies. So, do you guys like Melee? I mean, Fox Simulator?
What?
No items, files, creation, Fox only?
Well, I don't know how to use Fox, so no.
Oh, you press buttons until you win.
Yeah, okay.
That's clearly descriptive.
It's the same thing you said to me in Street Fighter.
Yeah, that's how you play Street Fighter.
You just press buttons randomly and say, oh, well, there you go.
Hope you win. Game, set, match. Video games.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh yeah, always
Dun,
hit
dun,
dial.
dun, 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 dun.
That's the other important part. Oh wait, no, actually, I take that back. If you play Kin, you can only do the Dragon Punch input. Any
Yeah.
other way you're playing Kin wrong.
Yeah. I know that video. I think you showed me it too.
Yep.
Sonic Boom.
Whoa!
Shoryuken!
That green shell.
Yep, that was mine. And now there's more red shells. Okay, who's the idiot who threw a red shell twice at the same time?
I don't know.
Was you, Toad?
It probably was.
Come on, man, with that.
Wow, ZTB. You're in second.
Oh, he is? Let's fix that. No, I'm kidding.
Ah! God dang it, every time.
Wow. They're really making sure that I'm not getting out of, like, 6th. Oh, shit.
Why is it always lightning that hits and then my green shell or whatever I have has to hit me as well?
Because, Sakamoto, Hakusaku, Waku, Shigemeru, Didi...
You didn't even what? Did he even develop this game?
No, Sakuhaku Senpai didn't.
Okay.
Whoa!
I was gonna say.
What?
Oh, they had a crazy... I was like, what?
What?
I ran into a guy's bomb who had a crazy 8. I didn't even see it.
Oh my god, man. You just
Well,
clutched that.
could have been worse.
I
Yeah,
hope
but-
that you go first place.
What do you think?
How?
Oh wait, you're in 12th? Jeez, I thought you were in second.
Yeah, I got disconnected.
Oh.
Yeah. Let's do Mountain Wario.
I was like, when did that happen?
Happened just like a minute ago.
I have this Facebook page from a long time ago of a character I don't really care about from 2011.
Okay.
Is it that angry face?
No, not that.
Oh, okay.
I didn't make this character, but it was about one of those times during Facebook when people started making character pages of characters that don't matter.
Yeah.
Like
know,
MySpace.
No, not
Which-
like that. Like, how to put it? Like, you know, that one guy who decided to be Gold from Pokemon or something, or Legend of Zelda Link.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
people do that all the time on Twitter now.
Yeah,
Zelda. You call it Legend of Zelda, I call it Zelda 1.
that's illegal.
Oh yeah, but...
Well, I made a Facebook page for a character that I cared about at one point that I don't really whatever, and people keep liking it for whatever reason. I've never said anything on it for like 5 years.
I guess because probably the iconic, what's what I'm looking for, the popularity of it. Which is strange, but works.
I missed it.
I don't know what I did post on there.
Oh my god, the drifting here.
Yeah. Victory for me.
Hercules, Hercules.
Trying to be a jerk.
Huh. Oh, come on, man.
Whoa, driving fast. Jumps on you. I had a coin.
I did not think that would actually work. Wow.
How did it register on yours before it registered? Oh, and now I got the horn. Thanks,
Oh,
game.
oh, I just saw it on the map and so I reacted.
Oh yeah, I forgot it showed up there. Remember when there didn't used to be a mini-map there?
Yeah, and then you would see people actually, you know, just back off because there's a blue shell coming.
Yeah.
And they do that before they even get the alert.
Yeah.
There were times like that. It's not even just us.
It was Mario Kart 7, the experience. Oops.
Is Mario Kart 7 better than 8, or is it like on equal par?
It depends. Do you like the Koopa Kids?
I like Wendy.
Do you like Waluigi?
No.
Then 8's better.
Okay.
I mean, no, wait, hold on. I was taking it back. 7's better. Whoops.
Yeah, that's right. That's what you meant. Yeah.
No, seriously, no. 7. Oh, thanks, game. Thanks, game.
Oh, wow.
6th place.
Oh, goddamn. The RNG.
Wow.
That was like. It was like, oh wait, you're trying to get first. No, we're just gonna get to this guy instead. Thanks for playing.
Screw you over.
Thanks for playing. See you next time.
Pretty soon, you know it, I'm gonna be in 2000 VR.
Oh my god. We're almost at it for 2 hours.
Really? It's been that long? Let's pick water park. We haven't been in the water park in a while.
No fair. Shut up, you. You were in 4th. That's as fair as you get.
That level reminds me of that level of Mario Kart Wii. What's it called? Toad. What is it? Toad something with the pipes.
Duplicate.
No, in Mario Kart Wii.
Toad's Turnpike.
No, remember that level that Afro, you remember that level that JJ is always good at, and I somehow can never beat him at? With the water and the pipes in Mario Kart Wii.
Koopa Cape?
Koopa Cape, there we go. Why was I thinking of so? Koopa Cape?
That was like one of my favorite stages.
Me too, but I
racing.
pick Mario. Oh man, Rainbow Road again.
I only wished it was in this game as well. It's in
Koopa
7.
Cape.
It's in 7.
Oh, it's in 7? Oh.
Oh wait, I just remembered when you said which one's better. It also depended on whether or not the game was patched. Patched, definitely 8. I mean pre-patch, definitely 8.
Definitely 8.
Post-patch, not so much.
This is before the updates.
Yeah, but Mario Kart 7 before the patch was horrible.
Yeah.
It was.
People people had been exploiting glitches.
It was called Mario Mushroom Makawoohoo.
Must have been that bad.
Actually, let me rephrase that. Metal Mario Mushroom Makawoohoo. This is important.
Yeah.
Actually, the Triple M is what it was. No one made that, but I just thought of that now. It's basically all it was. And the only thing people would ever choose were that, because Metal Mario, I believe, went the fastest at the time.
Yeah, he was.
Of course, they had to make him the fastest.
Yeah, Metal Mario, I believe, was the fastest, and
God damn
all you
it.
had to do was wait to... No. Whoops, I was trying to avoid that.
The sad part is that an awesome character like Metal Mario was created by a horrible character in the Mario franchise.
Ah!
I think we all know who we're talking about.
Wario?
No, Bowser Jr.
Huh?
I'm sorry, what?
Super Mario Sunshine, Metal Mario.
Metal Mario, that's Shadow Mario.
Oh, yeah. What? So where did Metal Mario come from?
64.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
from Mario 64.
Oh, whoops. I'm gonna have a lot of hate comments here.
Wow!
Lol.
I keep forgetting this isn't, there's a certain racing game, and I don't remember what it was.
Whoops.
I don't think it was Crash. But if you go, like, get a super ability and run into bumpers, they, like, fly into space.
What?
It might
Either
have.
that or Monkey Ball.
Yeah, I think it was which Monkey Ball?
The one for the Wii.
Oh, yeah, I don't know that one then.
Yeah, if you chose Gong Gong, if you bumped into bumpers, they would just, like, explode or something. I mean, you have to deal with the tilt controls, mind you.
Yeah.
They're okay if you can get used to them. By the way, did you know you can actually, like, beat levels after it says time up in the Wii version of that game?
Huh.
Yeah, like, you choose Baby. Baby's extremely light, and on this one level, you have to go down a slide. Thanks, game.
You're welcome.
Every
I'm
time.
the game.
You have to go down a slide, though, and Baby's not heavy enough to go down the slide fast.
Oh, yeah.
So what happens is you end up running out of time, and it goes like, time up! But Baby's still sliding, and he hits the goal.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, rather than the other games, they just immediately stop in your
What?
place.
Yep.
They like fixed that in this game. But in the other Monkey Ball games, it didn't even matter which character you are because all of them had the same stats.
Zelda trial.
I'm gonna go for a while because I want to eat, so, you know.
Yeah, I'm tired too. That's it for me. My eyes are done.
Yeah.
No, you have to stay up for 5 more hours until I get to S rank and Splatoon. Oh wait, you don't know that joke.
No,
He doesn't. He doesn't.
Screw you.
He doesn't have the game yet.
Oh no, he doesn't even know.
That was the joke.
I need to get to S plus. Oh, that you can't leave.
Should I just make like an alt account just so I can help the scrubs that are joining this game?
I think so.
Nah, I wouldn't bother. If they can't get out by themselves, they don't deserve it. No, I'm kidding, but I'm gonna go eat, so
Okay.
I guess I'll see you guys later.
Yeah.
See you later, douchebag.
No, you!
Wow.
Damn it, he got the last laugh. Last word, anyway.
That was funny.
That was 2 hours? Oh my god, that was 2 hours.
What did I tell you?
Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. That's gonna be a shit ton of editing.
Yeah, more like a shit ton of videos.
Oh, that's good for the segments.
Holy crap. Oh wow. That is so bad luck.
Oh, you're doing regular Wi-Fi racing?
Yeah, I'm still in the match.
I just left.
What? You were still in the room?
I left.
Wow, okay.
You can make this be your solo last match.
I guess. I was having a challenge with that Japanese player.
I knew it. I'm shocking. Did you kick its ass?
It hasn't ended yet. Also, you're still in this match because your CPU is here.
I left the game.
Yeah.
No, I left the group.
I don't know.
Must be a glitch in your system because I left the group.
You're still racing though.
How's my CPU doing if that's the case?
He's in 10th.
Ah, figures. Actually, he's doing better than I thought he would do. Oh, yay.
Well, it depends on how many people are here, but I think there's like 10 or...
Oh, then he's doing normal. If it's 10 people and it's I'm in 10th place because of my CPU.
Well, actually, no, I did, you would be 10th relative to 12 people, but since there's 10 people, there's 8. Or you're an 8.
Oh, okay, he's doing good. He's doing good, or it's doing good.
Yeah. Oh, someone DC'd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you're doing okay.
I'm doing good. I'm doing better than usual for someone who's using a CPU.
Oh, man. Well, that's the end of that.
Oh, wow, it's finished already?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
See ya online. See you, internet.